Hey everyone, this is Dr. Ashley. Today I want to talk about some movement prep that we can do before we start hitting. This is going to be specifically for our softball and also baseball players as well. So to start, I'm going to go with 2 stretches. There are obviously some more options, but these are the ones that I kind of thought of that would be best. So we're going to start off with the triangle stretch. I picked this one because we're going to get some rotation and we're also going to stretch our lower body and upper at the same time. So it's going to be important for a whole body movement like hitting. So then from there, our next one is going to be the greatest stretch. So really common. This one we're going to really lunge out. And then same thing with the other one, we're going to get some rotation in our upper body as well. So from here, arm goes down and then rotate high to the ceiling. And then if you really want, you can drop that knee down. And then when you come back up to the front, you'll get a stretch in the front of the leg. So now that we've gone through our stretches, now we're going to get into the actual movement prep part. So we're going to start off with a little bit of trunk and hip dissociation, and that's just going to allow us to start warming up our hips and our torso for when we actually go into that hit motion. So I'm going to use a dowel for this. On the field, you can obviously use your bat. I'm just going to take this behind. I'm going to go with my torso first and just try to work away, keeping my hips and my feet stable. Once we got the upper body and our torso going, now we're going to move to the hips. This one tends to be a little bit harder, so just stay patient with it. So here, now chest is staying forward, but our hips are going into the direction that we're trying to rotate in. And you might notice with this, if you do it on both sides, it'll be a lot easier rotating to the one that you're naturally used to, and the other side may feel a little weird, but those are good ones to just start off with. And then from there, your hips are warmed up, ready to rotate, and your trunk is also ready as well. So when you're batting, you'll be able to get full power on it. And then for the last one, once we've gone through our movement prep with the bat, now we're gonna add a little bit of resistance to it with the band. So we'll start just with the hips rotating out, and then upper body follows. Now we're gonna reverse.